Welcome to Millstone, Pulte Homes' newest community in beautiful Hendersonville, Tennessee. At Millstone, you'll find a distinctive home series thoughtfully designed with you in mind, including first-floor flex spaces, family and formal dining areas, spacious walk-in pantries, convenient drop zones, versatile lofts, and first-floor owner suites. Choose from floor plans offering 3 to 6 bedrooms and up to over 3,300 square feet of comfortable living space. This family-friendly community features finished amenities, including a large pool with splash pad, a fully equipped fitness center, a community clubhouse, playgrounds, green space, and charming pocket parks. Conveniently located on Saundersville Road, Millstone is just minutes from Vietnam Veterans Highway 386, making your daily commute a breeze. And with shopping, dining, and everyday conveniences only 3 miles away at the streets of Indian Lake, everything you need is within easy reach. Families at Millstone enjoy access to highly rated station camp schools only minutes from the community. Every Pulte home is backed by a 10-year limited structural warranty, giving you confidence and peace of mind. Come discover Millstone, where smart design meets small town charm. We can't wait to welcome you home.